At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today, we're going to talk about our brand new LVT flooring called AquaStone. The AquaStone range is packed full of benefits. The first being that all the flooring comes with underlay already attached. This not only helps with comfort underfoot, it also improves sound reduction and improves heat retention. Available in 20 stunning decors, the AquaStone range is fully waterproof. It comes with a 20-year residential warranty and is suitable for use with underfloor heating. The angle fitting system also allows for a really quick installation. The short joint is simply lined up and engaged, bringing the long joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. A slight lift, and just like that, you're on to the next one. The AquaStone range really is the full package. Order your samples today or use our room visualizer so you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.